everyone, this is Boxful. Today we are going to compare two Android TV sticks. They are both with Android 14, the latest version operating system on the market now. And this model is called S13 Snap TV stick and S13 Air TV sticks. So we are going to talk about two parts about these two similar models and see which model you prefer. And first one, we'll start from the design. As you can see, S13 Air is very small, lightweight design and is very good for you to travel to use it. And for this TV stick, it's with Wi-Fi 2.4G plus 5G Wi-Fi, so you can use when you are traveling or you are using at home. And also, this is the pure white design, and it's with a Bluetooth voice remote control. So the Bluetooth voice remote control is very easy for you to use it directly. And this is the design for the package, and you can get more information like the Android 14 with the RK3518, the latest chipset, and 2GB plus 16GB, and Bluetooth 5, and connected is very simple and easy to use it. And S13 Snap is also very tiny design, and you can see this is the design. But for this model, the Wi-Fi is stronger than the S13 Air. This one is only the 2.4G plus 5G Wi-Fi, but this TV box also have the 8822CS stronger Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi connection, your router is not so close to the TV, it's better to choose the S13 Snap TV stick. And for this model, you also will find it is not with a Bluetooth remote control. It's with a built-in 2.4G wireless remote control. And this remote control doesn't use a USB receiver because it already have built into the TV stick. So it's very easy for the elderly people or kids to use this S13 Snap TV stick. And both of them have you can able to download the apps from the Google Play Store, and they have the same Android 14 and 2GB plus 16GB memory, and the Wi-Fi is different. Bluetooth also supports the Bluetooth 5. So compare from the design side, which one you prefer. We'll see it will looks like this way. So this is the design. We also can open one by one. It has a bag and also have a cloth bag. So both of them very easy to carry, right? So this is the design. And it will have a cloth bag, so you can put all the TV sticks and also the accessories on here directly. And you can see in the bag, it will have a set bag for you to put the TV stick directly. So this will be the S13 Air TV stick, and also the accessories, the Bluetooth remote control, power adapter, power cable, HDMI cable, and also have a use menu card. So you will see a small package can put all the TV stick and accessory inside. So it's very convenient and also have a very smooth zipper to you to use it like a pen bags. And you will see the design will be all the white, so it's very new and very perfect for some clients. And also the S13 Snap, similar, also have the inside bag for the S13 Snap. And the built-in 2.4G wireless remote control, so it will not have any disconnection issues. And HDMI, power adapter, and power cable, and use menu card. So this cloth bag is very easy for you to when you travel or you use it directly, and very simple, not like the large design. So this will be the inner bag for for these two TV sticks. And next we are going to talk about the second part. Second part will be the configuration customization. As we know, this model both have the Android 14 operating system and with the 2GB plus 16GB, but for some clients, they will buy the TV stick as a gift to send to their friends, families, or the company members. So if you want to do some customization, we also support it. For some simple customization, they will change the bags or just print the logos or print the logos on the package or even on the remote control or on the TV sticks directly. And some clients maybe will do some system customization, like change the boot image, boot animation, or some else. And some customer maybe will change the memory, like the original basic memory is the 2GB plus 16GB. Some customer maybe they just want the 1GB plus 8GB or 2GB plus 8GB or large memory like the 4GB plus 32. We also support it. So as long as the customization you want it, you can just leave us a message and we can make it. So as a gift, very simple to you to use it or you carry when you are traveling. So and also you can see this design is very small. So if you just want to put on your bag, it's also supported. For example, I can just put the TV stick directly to this small bag. So you can just put it on, and this design is very lightweight and it's also very convenient, and you can just carry it to everywhere you want it. So this will be the S13 Air and S13 Snaps differences. So the main differences will be the Wi-Fi. S13 Snap Wi-Fi is stronger, and another differences will be the remote control they have. This one with the built-in 2.4G wireless remote control, and S13 Air with the Bluetooth remote control. So compare these two models because they have slight differences cause the price also different. Which model you prefer, and do you want it for some customization? So this will be today's video. If you want to get more information about the Android TV sticks, you can leave us a message. We will reply you as soon as possible. So this will be today's video. See you next time. Bye bye.